Hi everyone. So today I have uploaded the um tutorial video for chapter 6.2 part 2. However, there is a few correction that I want to make, but it's too it's too hard to explain it through like text or message on Telegram. So I decided to make a short correction video for tutorial questions number 11 just now. Okay, as I said that number 11 just now, I feel like there is something wrong with it. And maybe because I don't really calculate it beforehand, I just look at the answer scheme and it makes me wonder why it has both of the x values has negative values, which is I'm supposed is kalau macam tu salah lah kan, mana ada concentration negative values. Okay, however, after I make what we call it calculation back, both of the x values can be negative. However, only one negative value that is acceptable in this case. Okay, sebab lagi satu tu tak acceptable. Okay, let's look at the question 11. Okay, so just now I have explained to you for question 11. Okay, let's read again, okay? So, question 11, at 1280 degrees Celsius, the equilibrium constant Kc is 1.1 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So, if the initial concentrations of bromine and Br are 0.063 molar and 0.012 molar respectively, calculate the concentrations of this species at equilibrium. So, we know that the Kc is equals to Br squared divided by bromine equals to 1.1 times the negative 3. And we also have substitute the unknown at the equilibrium into the Kc expression to find the x. So when we find the x, we actually got two values of x which are both negative. So we got x equals to negative 1.78 times 10 to the power of negative 3 and x equals to negative 0.01046. So, both is negative. Okay, so, kalau ikutkan, sepatutnya, biasanya, one value of x can be positive and negative. So, that's why we can say that we can just ignore the negative value of x and take the positive value of x. However, in this case, both of the x value are negative. So what are we going to do is, we are going to substitute the x for both of the x one by one. Okay. So kita akan buat macam ni. Okay. So we calculate for this first. For the x equals to negative 1.78. Okay. So, dekat sini, we will change the color. So, it's not at equilibrium. It's at equilibrium, but I want to change it. At equilibrium. For x equals to negative 1.78 times 10 negative 3, we can say that 0.063 minus negative 1.78 times 10 negative 3 is equals to 0.0648 molar. And for Br, 0.012 plus 2 times negative 1.78 times 10 negative 3, you will get 0.0084 molar. So, both of this, even though the x is negative, both of this has positive value. Okay, let's look at x equals to, for x equals to negative 0.01046, the concentration of Br2 is equals to 0.063 minus x. So it's equals to 0.063 minus negative 0.01046. So we got BR2 here 0.07346 molar. Okay, for BR, concentration of BR is 0.012 plus 2x. So 0.012 plus 2 times negative 0.01046 is equals to 0.012 minus 0.02092. So it will get negative 0.1972 molar. And this is not acceptable. So this is not acceptable. Hence, we take this value. Okay. So you kena bagi tahu lah. So, Allah. What happened? So, you need to conclude here. So, the value of x equals to 0.01046 is not acceptable, kan? Sebab the value of bromine ada negative. So, mana ada value concentration negative? So, since that, we will say that x is negative 1.78 times 10 negative 3 because both of the value is in positive. Although this x is also negative, but when we substitute it into the equation of unknown to find the concentration at equilibrium, we still get it positive value for the concentration. So we accept x equals to 1.78 times 10 negative 3. Okay, so that is for question number 11. So I hope that you understand. So I am really sorry for the correction that I have to make for this part of the video, but I hope that you guys can understand. It is my part. Okay, this is my wrong lah sebab saya tak kira betul-betul before saya buat video. I should calculate it before I make this video. So, but it's okay. But because everyone makes mistake, and as long as we can correct our mistake, then it's fine. So yeah, same goes to you. So it's okay if you make mistake, but you need to learn from mistake. So yeah, so we learn together. So yeah. So I hope that you will watch this video as well because this is really important. For question number 11, there is a correction in my explanation from the previous video. So please watch this video, okay? So that's all for this video. Okay, I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.